Hello, how's it going? So today we're going to be making this beautiful and very simple fish curry. I'm using kingfish. You could use another fish if you want. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in the center there, I've got a cup, or just over, slightly over, of onions cut nice and small. Here's the fish I'm using today. This fish is called kingfish. You can use any other type of fish if you want. It's a bit like a sort of swordfish, really. You know, it's quite sort of fairly robust. You know, it's not going to fall apart very easily. Here, tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato, again cut small. And there are 3 tomatoes there, so it's about 3 cups in total. Fresh chili, as much or as little as you like. I've just slit mine down the middle and I've kept the seeds in. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder. And here I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're going to start off with a pan or a wok sort of thing that I have. In there I've got 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. The heat's on, above medium. Just going to drop those cumin seeds in, 2 teaspoons. Now, sometimes what I would do with this fish is I would coat it with turmeric and chili and then fry it first, but we're not going to do that today. This method is going to be putting it into the masala or curry and cooking it that way. So just a few seconds there with those cumin seeds. Don't skip that stage, it's very important. We're going to add that cup, or just over a cup I think it is, of onions. Tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir often. Fabulous stuff. Okay, very, very simple. We're now going to add the fresh tomato, the fresh chili, the cumin and the chili powder, the salt, the pepper and the turmeric. We're now going to go for 6 or 7 minutes. We really want to cook this down. We want to break those tomatoes down and hopefully they're going to give off some moisture. We'll take a look in a few minutes. Now you can see that I've done quite well regarding moisture. If you didn't, don't worry, because we're now going to add a cup of coconut milk. Let's give that a little mix in there. Now we're going to get our fish. Now I've cut my fish really quite chunky, nice big pieces. Like I say, this is known as kingfish steak. Cut that up. But yeah, lovely, lovely fish this is. We're now going to turn this to below medium, get it down a little bit, and we're going to let it go for about, this size fish, about 6 minutes or so. Really tasty. All right, off goes the heat. That is beautiful. That is really, really good. Check the salt level, good for me. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you guys call that, and a pinch, maybe half a teaspoon, of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is a nice, you can check it out there, nice sort of finishing powder. That's it, job done, beautiful stuff. Righty ho, there you go. Job done, beautiful, really, really beautiful, nice and simple. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.